Hey, Ellen Wright, owner of Wright Family Law Group, Massachusetts divorce and family law lawyer. I am coming to you with my top tips today on how to get organized as far as your finances go with a divorce. Finances are huge. A lot of the time, sometimes I've got divorced and then finances are the only issue. Sometimes people have kids, sometimes they don't, but there's always finances involved in a divorce. Number one, you got to start tracking down your documents. Start tracking down the bank statements, the tax returns, the pay stubs, mortgage statements. If you've got credit cards, anything financial, we've got to have the backup documentation. So work on collecting that. Even if you think it may not totally be relevant, best to have it rather than be searching for it later because your lawyer tells you that you need it. Second, you got to work on creating a detailed budget. A financial statement is going to be filed with the court. So if you make less than $75,000 a year, you're going to be filing a short form. If you make more than $75,000 a year, you're going to be filing the long form. Now, at some point, your lawyer is going to be giving that to you. But even if you're thinking about divorce or sort of flirting with the idea, it's not a bad idea to download it either from the Massachusetts Trial Court website or we have copies available on the Wright Family Law Group website. So print off that financial statement and just start using it as a personal tool to figure out your budget. You got to know what your housing costs are, your utilities, childcare, groceries, gas. All of these things are going to come into play. You've got to get a handle on what your current needs are so that you can determine what your future needs might look like. It's going to be huge. Lastly, you want to think about opening up individual accounts if you haven't already. This can help you be more financially independent when the time comes for a divorce. It's also going to help you budget better because you'll be going to be managing your own money. If you're not doing it now, better to start now rather than wait for the divorce to basically set the stage for you to start doing that. I hope these tips are helpful. Enjoy the day.